Dear learners, today we shall discuss about question tag. You know that question tag is very easy, but if you practice it regularly, you can get full marks in these topics. But if you don't practice it regularly, you cannot get it. So, if you want to get full marks or 7 marks, in previous examination you may know that the number was 5, but in your examination, I mean 2020 batch, you can get 7 marks in tag question. So if you want to get more full marks in this chapter, you can practice it. I think it is a simple or easy chapter, so let us practice it at first. Question tag, you may know that if the statement is affirmative, the question tag will be negative. If the statement is negative, the question tag will be affirmative. If the given statement is affirmative, you have to put a negative question tag. Dear students, if the given statement is affirmative, you have to put a negative question tag. That means here he comes to the school. He comes to the school. That means here we can see that this is an affirmative statement. So we can use a negative tag in negative question tag in this sector. You have to use does, doesn't he. Dear students, I also want to add that if the verb is singular, if the given verb is singular, you have to use a singular verb also. Or if the subject is singular, you have to use a singular verb also. So here comes is a singular verb. You know that if any s or es add with a verb, the verb will be singular. But if any s or es is not used with any verb, the verb will be plural. So here we can see that there is s used with comes. I mean, come is a verb, so it is a singular verb. So we have to add also a singular verb. Here singular verb means this verb which has or which holds s or yes. Here he comes to the school, doesn't he? Dear students, please listen to me. Here the subject is he. So we have to use he in this question tag also. So dear students, doesn't is a doesn't this verb also starts with a small letter, not capital letters. You should bear in mind that we can use another example in this regard. I am a student. I am a student. Here it is also a affirmative statement. So in this regard, we have to add a negative question tag. Aren't are. My dear students, you know that negative statement of am is aren't. Negative statements of am is aren't. You can learn the short form of any question tag in your from your book. Otherwise, you cannot learn it easily. Here we can add that if the given statement is negative, that means if the given statement is negative, you have to put an affirmative question tag. In this regard, we can add he does not come to the school. He does not come to the school. So this is a negative statement. That's why you can add an affirmative question tag in your answer. He does not come to the school. So you can write does he, because in this sentence is negative, so you have to put a affirmative question tag. In second sentence, you can see that I am a student, but if we write I am not a student. I am not a student. So we can write, or we have to write are no am I. Dear students, you can also learn that if the given statement is negative, you have to put an affirmative question tag, or if the given statement is affirmative, you have to put a negative tag. I think you all of you understand what I wanted to tell you. Now we shall go another rules. I shall write some word. If if you get the word in your question paper, you can use you have to use a affirmative statement in your answer because these words are negative sense. Seldom is a negative sense or negative word. Seldom, hardly, little. Dear students, now I can write only one example for you. Please give concentration in this sentence. A barking dog seldom bite. A barking dog seldom bite. Here is a word seldom. This word give us a negative sense. So we have to add a affirmative question tag. Look. Here we can add a barking dog seldom bites. A barking dog seldom bites. Does eat. You know that a barking dog is a narrow or low animal, so we have to use eat with the subject. Does eat. You can question to me that this is a affirmative sense. No. This is a negative sense because here we can see seldom. Seldom gives us a negative sense. So we have to put affirmative tag in this regard. Dear students, now we can go into another example. Another rules. Dear students, now we learn about imperative question tag. If the given statement is imperative, without letters. If the given statement is imperative, you can write will you. You can write will you. Look at the board. What I want to write. Shut the door. This is a imperative sentence. So you can write will you do or if open the door. This one also an imperative sentence. So you can write will you. You can write will you in your question tag. Dear students, all of you know that tag question is easy, but some tag question is so hard that if you cannot practice it, you cannot get you cannot complete it easily. So I the suggestion for you that if you want to get full marks in this topics, you can exercise regularly, or you have to exercise regularly. That's all for today. I think all of you will practice all topics from your grammar chapter.